Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. It's got a 1.2 litre PureTech engine with 110 horsepower. Also comes with Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. Outside the car you've got 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, reverse parking sensors. Inside there's the 7-inch touchscreen which comes with DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also dual zone air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton.